In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find reviews on Fresher. Navigating the digital space can be a little overwhelming, especially when you're trying to manage your business and reputation online. One platform that many professionals in the beauty and wellness industries turn to is Fresher. It's an intuitive platform that not only helps you manage appointments and sales, but also allows you to keep an eye on what clients are saying about your services. So, how do you access these reviews? Let's dive in. The first step is to access Fresher for Business. Fresher caters to both professionals and clients, so it's important that you're on the right page. Once you're there, you'll notice the option to log in. Click on that to proceed. Remember, maintaining the security of your account is crucial, so always make sure you're logging in through the official Fresher website. Next, you'll see a few options for logging in. Since Fresher offers a tailored experience for professionals, you'll want to click on Fresher for Professionals. This ensures that you're accessing the dashboard that's been designed with your business needs in mind. Following this, the website might offer you several ways to log in. For the sake of efficiency and convenience, I recommend clicking on Continue with Google. This streamlines the login process, especially if your business already uses Google services for email or calendar management. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Make sure you select the account that is associated with your business on Fresher. This keeps your professional and personal digital worlds neatly separated and maintains your business's digital hygiene. Once logged in, you're ready to delve into the feedback from your clients. Look for the notification or rocket icon. This is where Fresher consolidates important alerts and updates for your account, including reviews. The notification icon is your gateway to understanding how your clients perceive the services they receive, which is invaluable for any business. Clicking on the notification or rocket icon will reveal several options, but you're specifically interested in the reviews section. This is where Fresher aggregates client feedback. Remember, these reviews provide honest insights into your clients' experiences, serving as a direct line to understanding their needs and expectations. To get a comprehensive view of all the feedback, click on See All Reviews. This expands the section, allowing you to read each review in detail. It's a good practice to regularly check these reviews, as they can offer constructive criticism alongside positive reinforcement. Understanding your client's feedback is a powerful tool in improving your services and growing your business. Navigating to the reviews on Fresher is straightforward, but knowing how to utilize this feedback effectively can set your business apart. Regularly engaging with your client reviews demonstrates to current and prospective clients that you value their feedback and are committed to continually enhancing your service. Whether it's positive praise or constructive criticism, each review is an opportunity for growth. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily find and make the most out of reviews on Fresher. Remember, these insights are instrumental in building a reputable business that clients trust and love returning to. Your online reputation is an extension of your business's quality and services. So, take the time to engage with it thoughtfully and proactively. I hope this guide has made the process clear and you feel more comfortable navigating Fresher's platform. Reviews are just the beginning. Fresher offers a suite of tools designed to help you streamline your operations and grow your business. Take advantage of these resources and you're likely to see your business flourish. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Remember, staying connected with your clients and understanding their needs is the key to success in the highly competitive beauty and wellness industries. See you next time, and here's to your success on Fresher.